Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Are you ready to enhance your PC gaming with the comfort and precision of your PlayStation 4 controller? Connecting it is easier than you think, transforming your gameplay experience. Many PC titles feel far more natural with a gamepad, offering better control and immersion. We'll show you exactly how to set it up, quickly and efficiently, with our updated 2025 guide. The simplest way to connect your PS4 controller is with a micro USB cable, plugging one end into the controller and the other into your PC. Your computer should instantly recognize it as a game controller, often installing drivers automatically. This method is incredibly reliable, offering virtually no latency and ensuring a stable connection every time you play. Just make sure your cable supports data transfer. For a wireless experience, you will need Bluetooth connectivity on your PC. First, open your computer's Bluetooth settings and prepare to add a new device. Then, on your PlayStation 4 controller, press and hold both the PS button and the share button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. This indicates pairing mode, allowing you to select wireless controller from your PC's detected devices. Once connected, Steam provides excellent native support through its big picture mode, making controller setup straightforward for its vast game library. For games outside of Steam, or for deeper customization, DS4 Windows is an invaluable tool. It allows your PlayStation 4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, expanding compatibility with almost any PC game. Download it from a trusted source. If you encounter any issues, start by ensuring your controller is fully charged. Low battery can cause connectivity problems. Sometimes, simply restarting your PC or performing a fresh repairing can fix unexpected glitches. Always remember to keep your operating system and any controller-related software updated, guaranteeing the best possible gaming experience and preventing future headaches. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.